script. Ever wondered how much detail a rear-view camera can actually capture? Imagine a situation where you're backing out of a parking spot and a car comes out of nowhere. Could your current dash cam provide clear evidence? If you're looking for a rear-view camera that not only captures the action, but offers sharp detail, the Thinkware 2K QHD Rear-View Camera for the U3000 Dash Cam might be exactly what you need. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the tech and features that matter most to drivers like you. The Thinkware 2K QHD Rear-View Camera records in 1440p, offering that crisp clarity that's hard to beat when it comes to video evidence. This is particularly useful in the event of an accident or incident, as the camera provides that extra level of detail you might not get with lower resolution systems. With a wide 156-degree viewing angle, it offers full coverage of what's behind your vehicle, ensuring you're not left in the blind spots. What makes it stand out is its discreet, compact design. You won't have to worry about a bulky camera taking up valuable space or drawing attention. It's small, simple, and effective. For drivers who already own the Thinkware U3000 Dash Cam, this rear camera is a perfect addition, offering seamless compatibility. Real-world testing shows that the camera performs well even in low-light conditions, maintaining good video quality and minimal distortion. The setup process was easy, as it pairs directly with the U3000, and once installed, it didn't feel intrusive, allowing for a clean, factory-installed look. Pros: clear 2K QHD resolution helps capture all the details. Wide 156-degree angle offers full rear coverage. Compact design keeps the installation discreet and clean. Great compatibility with Thinkware U3000 seamlessly integrates with the existing dash cam. Cons: requires the Thinkware U3000 Dash Cam to function. It's sold separately, which can increase the initial cost. Limited features beyond video capture. It's a straightforward rear-view camera with no additional smart features. When we talk about value for money, the Thinkware 2K QHD Rear-View Camera makes sense if you're already using the Thinkware U3000. The price is a bit on the higher end for rear-view cameras, but considering the clarity of the video and its seamless integration, it's an investment in safety and peace of mind. If you're comparing it to other rear cameras, there are options that offer lower resolution or fewer features, but none quite match the combination of clarity and ease of use that Thinkware provides here. If this breakdown is helpful and you want to be in the fast lane for fresh, honest reviews, hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you won't miss out on the next product review. Build quality and longevity. The build quality of the camera is solid, designed to withstand the usual wear and tear of daily driving. The materials feel durable, and feedback from trusted sources suggests it performs well over time with minimal issues. The compact nature of the camera means there's less to wear out compared to bulkier, more complex devices. Customer support. While we didn't interact with customer service directly for this camera, Thinkware has a generally good reputation for support, with a history of being responsive when users have questions or need help with installation. Who it's for. This rear-view camera is ideal for anyone already using the Thinkware U3000 Dash Cam and is looking to add that extra level of protection with a rear-facing camera. It's also great for anyone looking for a discreet, high-quality solution for recording the rear of their vehicle. Conclusion: if you value clear, detailed video footage for the rear of your vehicle and are already invested in the Thinkware U3000 Dash Cam, the Thinkware 2K QHD Rear-View Camera is a strong option. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution or are on a budget, this may not be the right fit for you, considering the additional investment in the U3000 required. For most buyers, if you're after high-quality, discreet rear coverage, this is one of the stronger choices in its class. End of video engagement. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab the Thinkware 2K QHD Rear-View Camera or any of the products mentioned, check the comments for the link. Got questions or already using the product? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep your ride smooth and your tech on point. Autovated out.